Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial of LeetCode, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the premium version of LeetCode. Yes, the premium version in free. You don't need to pay any money to the LeetCode. So to get that, all you need to do is to just simply log into your LeetCode account with your credentials. Once you do that, this is the basic homepage you're gonna see. Now to get the premium membership of LeetCode, all you need to do is to just earn LeetCoins that can be earned by solving problems on LeetCode. And once you do that, you just simply go to this option of store on this top window and go to this, click on this option says redeem. When you do that, here you can find the list of items you can redeem with LeetCoins. Now here it says 30 days premium subscription in just 6,000 LeetCoins. You can earn LeetCoins. Currently I'm not having enough LeetCoins, but if you solve problems daily on LeetCode, you're gonna earn very easily and get a premium subscription, premium membership of LeetCode with LeetCoins without paying any single penny. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.